Hi guys, I'm Josh Marshall. Nowadays I'm a presenter and journalist, but I used to be in recruitment back in the day. My old boss, Alan Rowe, is now the director of Recital Consulting, and he's asked me to come in and have a brew with one of his very special clients, Amshire. So Dave, can you tell me a little bit about your business, about where you've come from?
Okay, we're a family-run small business. We've been going since 1995. I'm now the MD of the business, and we've got 15 people working for us. We deal with all sorts of small to medium-sized businesses looking after their day-to-day IT needs.
Why is staffing so important?
It's really important because without the high-level experienced staff that we require, our customers don't get the support that they need to ultimately run their business and sort out problems that they come up with on a day-to-day basis.
Where do you know Recital Consulting from?
Well, funnily enough, they're 2 doors down the road from us, which is great. But they came and knocked on the door one Christmas, offered us a goodie bag, and that's where the relationships blossomed from there.
What has Recital's contribution been to Amshire?
They've brought to us a way to measure candidates before they come in through the door for an interview. Previously, we used to get people in through the door, have an interview and run a very basic technical questionnaire type scenario. That was great, but today, as technology moves on and gets more complicated, it's a lot more difficult to analyse where people are actually sitting. So that's where using the tech check exams takes them an hour to go through it and make sure that they're committed to come through the door and want a job application, but then at the end of it, what their level of capabilities are for us and our customers.
Would you say that tech check is a way that Recital Consulting offer something above and beyond other recruiters?
It certainly is. I keep getting phone calls and emails from recruiters all the time and saying, look, we can do this, this and this, but I'm not interested in that. We've built the relationship up with Recital to do the tech checks. We've even put our own engineers through the tests to make sure and give us a baseline for exactly where our guys sit. Therefore, what do we need from a new engineer? Where do they sit into the existing formats?
What's next for Amshire then? What's on the horizon?
Growth is the key thing for us at the moment. So we're looking at projecting where we're going to be in the next sort of 12 to 18 months, what engineering requirements that we're going to need.
And how do you see Recital Consulting being part of that?
That comes down to getting the right CVs out to us and getting the right scores for the types of requirements that we need. So we see Recital being a partner in terms of helping us to grow and moving that forward.
Would you say that your partnership with Recital, they are a consultancy and not just an agency?
Yeah, definitely. It's that they help us to scope the level of person that we want and what requirements that we've got. They help us to set the salary expectations right, whether or not we're being realistic in terms of what we actually want to offer and what the market's actually demanding, which is key at the moment.
And would you recommend Recital Consulting? Definitely.
It's we've had some bad experiences with different recruitment agencies, not just IT, and touch wood, Recital, we've not had any problems at the moment, which
Fantastic.
Is brilliant.
Well, touch MDF.
Yeah.
Touch MDF.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
Definitely. Yep.
Thank you very much, Dave.
No problem, thank you.
Yeah, nice to chat to you. And now we can do all the cameras and enjoy coffee.
Yeah, brilliant.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Thank you. It's tea.